What would the world look like if people who provide services
and communities
work together to shape the places where we live and the services that we access? Working in this way is called co-production. Here in Cwm Magnog, we believe that co-production is the right way to work, to design and improve services across our communities.
Co-production means that we
share together,
plan together,
decide together,
think together,
review together,
and celebrate together.
Celebrate together.
Celebrate together.
We come together to create, design and deliver services.
Services like
health,
social care,
housing
and education.
Co-production benefits me as a member of my community as it makes me feel empowered and valued.
Co-production benefits me as a service provider to better understand the needs of those who access our service.
Co-production benefits me as a professional to ensure that we are investing time, money and resources in the things that matter most and will have the best outcomes for people in our region. As part of the Social Services and Wellbeing Wales Act, it's a requirement to have an element of co-production in the process of creating and designing services. To us, co-production positively transforms relationships between those who provide and receive services across Cwm Magnog by valuing lived experience and sharing power to influence and embed meaningful change, meaning that we can all lead happier and healthier lives.
What does this mean for the future? This should mean we share our skills and experiences across the region to ensure that people get the care and support they need to live happy and healthy lives and make Cwm Magnog a great place to live and work.
So join us on our mission to connect and unite.